I greet you all. Welcome to my film news. Today I'm going to update you about Asanela Velabai. It is a sad story for this boy. Asanela Velabai was blocked to move to Kaizer Chiefs. I don't wanna lie, Kaizer Chiefs tried their best to sign him, but Caton Spurs managed to block his move. Even his parents interfered, but there was nothing they can do because his contract with Kaizer Spurs has not ended. Imagining now they're about to relegate again. Division 3 is calling them. A young talented boy, his future was destroyed just like that. He must be feeling the pain wherever he is now. Imagine if he joined them January or last summer. He would have a whole notebook with them. When his contract ends, he must never look back. His talent, PSL teams will sign him for sure. But what can I say is Kaizer Chiefs trying their best, but they fail. For more football news, can subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated about Kaizer Chiefs scouting players.